they're building trust before they decide who to call. So they've got a specific question in mind. It's usually something about the process, the cost, what their situation qualifies for. They are on the website at 11 p.m. because that is when the anxiety about their situation finally pushed them to do something. And if there is nothing on your website that can answer that question, no conversational AI, no way to get an answer and leave contact information, what do? They leave. They're going to find a firm that can engage them. That firm starts building trust while yours sits quiet. And the cost of that lost engagement is invisible. There's no record of the visitor who almost became a client. They'll show up in your analytics as a bounce, not as a lost case. Leak number 3, the slow follow-up on web leads. For leads that do submit a contact form, the response time is everything. 5 minutes versus 60 minutes versus next day are not incremental differences. They are cliff edges. A prospect in the middle of a legal crisis is not going to wait patiently for a callback. What are they going to do? They're going to keep looking. And the firm that calls them back in 10 minutes, right away, as soon as possible, while they are still in research mode, is the firm that gets the consultation. Most law firms respond to web form submissions the next business day. By that time, the prospect has already spoken with someone else. Leak number 4, the undecided prospect. This is the least visible leak. Most people who find a law firm during their research do not hire on the first visit. They visit 2 or 3 firms. They spend 7 to 30 days comparing and considering, and then they actually make a decision. During that window, if your firm has disappeared from their awareness, you're losing ground to every competitor that stayed visible. The retargeting gap, the absence of any system to stay in front of a prospect who has visited your site but not called, is a significant source of lost cases. Not dramatic, obvious lost cases. Quiet ones. The prospect who visited on a Tuesday and chose someone else by the following Friday only because that firm kept showing up and yours did not. Now, let me put this in the form of a number that should make you uncomfortable. Take a firm generating 50 qualified inbound leads per month. If that firm is converting 20% to signed clients, they're signing 10 cases. If the same firm closed the 4 leaks, they answered the after-hours calls, they engaged the after-hours website visitor, they responded to web leads within minutes, and they also stayed visible during the decision window and improved that conversion rate to, let's say, 30%, they're now signing 15 cases from the same 50 leads. That's 5 additional cases per month from identical marketing spend. And an average case value of, let's say, $10,000, that's $50,000 per month in additional revenue from a firm that did not change a single thing about its marketing budget at all. It just changed its intake system. That math is why intake matters as much as marketing. More leads into a broken intake system does not produce more cases. It produces more evidence of the leak.